Hi everyone, it's Stephanie and welcome back to my channel.
You're stealing my heart, baby, stealing my heart. You're stealing my heart.
Today's video, I am bringing you another meal prep video. You guys really liked the last one. I actually had so much fun filming the last meal prep, so I'm going to be showing you guys this week's meal prep. Usually I meal prep my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sometimes it's just me meal prepping something specific just for that meal. That way when it does come time for me to have the meal, I have that like main portion already figured out, which you guys will see. Like today's breakfast is just something that I meal prep in advance and I kind of add it to whatever I'm eating that day. I'm also gonna do a what I eat in a day video because I feel like that would kind of be more helpful as well to show you guys exactly how I'm incorporating all my meal prep meals into each day and what I'm eating when I'm on the go. So that is going to be today's video, is just a meal prep. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing what I eat in a day videos. I do apologize if my voice sounds a little bit nasally, a little bit coarse. It's because I am getting over having the flu a week ago, so I'm still recovering. The flu literally took your girl out, so we are still in the recovery, so if my voice is a little bit annoying in this video, I do apologize. Without further ado, let's get into today's weekly meal prep video. Getting started with breakfast, I am making these turkey sausage little meatballs. So I'm taking the Jennie-O turkey sausage. You can use whichever turkey sausage you like the best. Some Colby Jack cheese and power cake mix from Kodak. You can use the pancakes or the waffle mix like I'm using here. I'm just gonna combine the turkey sausage, half a cup of Colby Jack cheese, and then 1 cup of the flapjack mix into a bowl, and then you're just gonna start mixing this together. You can use a cup of cheese or half a cup of cheese or less cheese, whatever you prefer. I like the half a cup ratio. I think it tastes the best. I found when I used more cheese, it just wasn't combining as well as I'd like. So then you're gonna mix these all together, and then I'm going to just take them and form them into little meatballs. I put them down on a sheet pan with some olive oil spray so nothing sticks. You're going to form these into balls, and then you're going to cook them in the oven at 375 for 35 minutes. I find that is the perfect amount, and they come out perfect every time. I love to eat these for breakfast. I grab about 2 to 3 of them, throw on some sugar-free syrup on the top, have some hard-boiled eggs or anything else that I want for breakfast. Sometimes I have this with like some Greek yogurt on the side. It's just so good, super quick, and they are delicious with some sugar-free syrup on top. Definitely give this recipe a try. Lunch this week is going to be the same that it always is. It's just my go-to chicken recipe that it was in my last meal prep video, so I will annotate that here on the screen and list it down below. But again, we're just having chicken with my Caesar salad again this week. It's my favorite go-to, and I actually made 3 pieces of chicken this week, so I mean, it just looks so delicious. Okay, moving on to dinner, we're going to make ground beef bowls for the week. So I am chopping up 2 green bell peppers, and I'm using my vegetable chopper that I will link down below from Amazon. I also took about 1/4 of an onion that I had already cut up, and I just chopped it up in the vegetable chopper as well. In a pan, a skillet, I'm going to be taking this organic ground beef. This is my favorite ground beef from Aldi. I usually get this one or the blue package one. The blue package one is leaner ground beef, so just whatever they have available. And in a pan, I'm just going to cook this up. For seasoning, I like to just take salt and pepper, nothing crazy, just season that up. And we're just going to cook it up as follows. I mean, it's kind of simple. You guys will get the theming of all of my meals. They're very, very simple, but quick and delicious. And this just helps me stay full. And I just go ahead and put that into its container. Then I'm going to be making, for the base of my ground beef bowls, I'm using sweet potatoes. So all I'm going to do is chop and peel up these sweet potatoes. Again, I am going to use my vegetable chopper, and it just saves so much time. So if you haven't got the vegetable chopper, like, you need to grab it. It's been a lifesaver for me. Also, I don't cut like a professional chef, so please do not come for me. I'm learning, okay? But anyways, we're going to put these sweet potatoes on a sheet pan again, and I'm going to spray it down with some olive oil. And then for seasonings, we're taking salt and black pepper. And then I also like to add a very minimal amount of brown sugar, and I just like to place it all over. It just adds a little bit more sweetness to the sweet potatoes, and I just like how it tastes, so I just add a good amount of it, not anything crazy. And then I'm going to bake these in the oven at 375 for about 40 to 45 minutes, and you have the best tasting sweet potatoes for the base of your ground beef bowls. So delicious. So that is going to complete this week's meal prep. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more meal preps, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It really helps me out, and it also helps me know that you guys enjoy watching these videos. As far as any other requests that you have for videos on my channel, leave them down below. That's pretty much it. If you guys want to stay updated with me more on a day-to-day basis, definitely follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. That's where I am the most active, so follow me over there. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video. Bye!
I don't have many troubles, but I think you just cut them in two.